brand safety stuff looks good, and we can say next. Now the third tier is going to be the ad. We will have multiple ads, of course, but this first ad I'm just going to call a video ad 1. This one I'm going to use a video. You could use, a carousel of images or, a couple other things like that. So the identity, you want to make sure you choose the right page. You want to choose an Instagram account as well. I didn't connect one on this page, so I don't have one set up, but yours should appear right here if you properly connected a professional Instagram account to your Facebook business page and your Meta Business Suite. Going down here, create ad, we want to manually upload this. I don't recommend the catalog ads. I think, AI is pretty good, but it's not quite there yet. I think it's better to make your own ads and manually upload them. We have several different formats, like I said, a single image or a video, a carousel of, multiple different images that you swipe through, or a collection. I'm going to go with flexible, and down here we can upload the actual ad. So let's add some media. I'm going to say add videos. I have some ads from my TikTok ads tutorial I'm going to use here. I'm just going to click and drag this one over. Generally for meta ads, you don't want them to be this aspect ratio. A lot of them, you probably prefer a square ad so it shows up better on Facebook if you're actually running it there, or on Instagram as well. A lot of times it will perform better like that, but hey, you know what? This is what I have available. This is what I'm going to do for this video, but right now it is uploading and processing. So I can select it, I can say continue. Now we have our video. We're going to choose our primary text. So you can add your primary text, your headline, your description, and this is something you're going to iterate on and really test some different variations of. You could use ChatGPT to help come up with what the text is, what the best copy is here. Then we can choose the destination. So you want to copy the URL to your actual product. So going back to Shopify, for example, if we were using Shopify, we can go to products. You'll see I should have one product on here. I can select that. I can actually click on that product rather, and we should have a link on the right side. We should have a link on the bottom, so let me just copy and paste that to a new tab, make sure. So I'm just going to paste the product page URL. The display link is going to be order now. You can choose your call to action, could just be order now, for example. And then double check everything looks good down here. Here you'll see the ad preview in Instagram and in your Facebook feed, and we can then say publish. So now that we have that set up, I want to make a couple copies of this within this ad set here so I can really test out the different ads. So I'm going to click on the three dots here, just do a little quick duplicate here. It'll be over here. So we're going to call this video ad 2, video ad 2, and we can change anything you want about this. I would recommend having a slightly different video, maybe a different character. By the way, I have a full video on how I made these ads. That's just like made with AI, so it's not even like it's not a real person even talking. I mean, it's a real person that's got voiced over by AI, so it's really kind of impressive, I think. But you could film them yourself. Many different ways to make the ads. So for this one, let's just say I'm going to change the copy, and we can publish this one. I think you get the idea of how you can go about changing all of these and making different ads. And once you're done, we could just click the little X on the top left and you'll come back to the dashboard. So if we have these both running, right now they're both processing, so they're not actually delivering just yet, but you will eventually see, so let's go back to ads reporting on the left side, and you'll see some metrics about the different ads that we are running. So you'll see an account, you'll see the reach for each of them, which is going to be